Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me for another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a quick, easy, no fuss banana bread recipe. So to get started, I'll use 2 eggs. Of course, you got to have some all-purpose flour, and then I'll be using 2 types of sugar here. I have brown sugar and then a little bit of granulated sugar. Of course, you gotta have a little bit of butter, and then I'm gonna use 3 bananas for this recipe. Again, keeping it really simple, I'm gonna top it with a little bit of chopped walnuts. And I'll get started by beating my eggs, and I always add my vanilla this step. No matter what recipe I'm working on, the vanilla is always gonna go in the eggs. It's just something that I do. The next thing I do is just take all of my ingredients, and then I'll go ahead and add everything to the flour mixture. So I'll take the eggs, the butter, the bananas and everything, and then I will go ahead and mix this with my fork. I'm not even going to use my hand mixer for this. It's not necessary. Then I take all of my banana bread mixture and I just place it into my loaf pan, and then when I'm done, I'll go ahead and top it with chopped walnuts. You could also do like chopped pecans. You could do streusel on top if you like, but since today I'm just showing you a very basic banana bread, I'm not even gonna do a whole lot of fuss here. I'm just gonna keep it really basic and simple. Once it's out of the oven, I'll allow it to cool down slightly before serving. And there you have it, a very basic but delicious banana bread recipe. That's gonna wrap up my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you go, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.